Hello friend, in this video we'll create a coordinate system, 2D coordinates plane. Okay, so we love mathematics, right? So we'll play a little bit about math. Let's get started. So Xcode, create a new Xcode project. So yeah, we'll still use macOS app. Coordinates plane. Okay, coordinates plane. Okay, coordinates plane. Yeah, storyboard, language Swift. Yes, and yeah, like always we put the project right under temp directory. Okay, so let's run it and make sure it's runnable. Yeah, so if I move it to here and make it bigger, and then I rerun it by command R. Yeah, cool. Xcode remembers our last location and the size of the window. Okay, cool. That's what we need. Now let's get started with our business. So we need a view, right, to put it in the middle with the background color white. Okay, so go here, right click, new file, Coco class. It will be subclass of an S view. So what's the name? Canvas view. Okay, canvas view. Next, create. So we can put it here. Okay, now drawing code here. So yes, I put the UI color. No. Oh, sorry about that. It's not UI. It's always NS color. Okay. Let's use color literal. No, color literal. Yeah, here. By default is white. That's what I need. Set fill. Yes. Then bounds, right? Bounds means the rectangle representing our view, ourself dot fill. Okay. Now let's go to main storyboard to add the view onto this guy. This is the window, right? It has a reference to our view controller. The view controller contains a default view, and we'll add our view, our canvas view, inside this default view. Okay, so go here. Well, it's called custom view, I think. Custom view. Yeah, this guy. Drag and put it here, and let's use the auto layout to set the constraints. One, top, left, right. Not this one, right? We don't want this shape. We need a square. So we'll change this aspect ratio to 1.1 like that. Oh, sorry, it's not 1.121, right? Yeah, we can just leave it there, or yeah, to get a better feeling, let's drag this to put it like that. Okay, now run it. We should be able to see the white background, right? Oh, one more step here. We forgot to we need to select this guy. Yeah, the class will be our canvas. So C canvas view. Now it should be okay. Run it. Okay, it should be a little bit bigger, like that. If we run again, yeah, you remember the size and the location we set last time. Okay, now we can go to the canvas view to draw our the first x-axis. Okay, so axis. Let's put the code here. So we'll put our origin right in the middle. So let axis x-axis, okay, x-axis equals ns Bezier path, like that. Then x-axis dot move to ns point. Yeah, we'll draw from the left to the right, right? Oh, let's double check if it's resizable automatically. Yes, very good, right? So we don't need to do actual work to get this. We just get this for free, this feature. Okay, so now x will be, so here is 0 0 0. This is the origin, 0 comma 0. Okay, so x y will be bounds dot width. Y will be bounds dot height divided by 2, right? Here x, yeah, so x-axis dot line to ns point. Oh no, we need x, like that. So this will be bounds dot width divided by 2. Why? Nope, this is the full width. Here is bounds dot height divided by 2. And okay, x-axis dot stroke, right? And that's user line width of 2. Okay, to make it stronger, thicker, run it. Okay, good. Let's do the y-axis. Okay, so we can make a copy of this. Copy. Now we can rename this to y-axis, right? Then we can copy paste back the last one. Okay, so now x will be bounds dot width divided by 2, right? Same thing here. And y will be from 0 to bounds. So from 0 to bounds dot height. Yeah, like that. Okay, so now let's add some grid lines. Okay, grid lines. So we can draw like let's define our grid side. Okay, cell side. Let cell side CG. Let's use double here. Double. So let's put what about A here? Okay, so let's draw the first one. first line, horizontal line, so that grid equals an as Bezier path like that, and grid dot move to, well, so we'll start from here. Let's draw this one first, okay? The first horizontal one, like so. X will be so bounds. Oh, X will be 0. To Y is bounds dot. Let's define our our origin here. So that origin X, right, double equals bounds. Origin X is bounds dot width divided by 2. That origin Y double bounds dot height divided by 2. Okay, so it is this point. Oh, this is CG float. Why is it CG float? Let's see. Okay, so let's use CG float. CG float. CG float. So we don't need to bother with the data type conversion. CG float. Okay. So now XY will be origin Y plus, right, a single cell side, because this will be a parallel, right? So X will be the full width. So bounds dot width. Y, same thing, origin Y plus cell side. Okay. Now grid dot stroke. Okay, we want to set its color to color literal dot set stroke. Let's use light gray, or let's use this light gray. Okay, run it. Wow, A is so small, so let's use 20 here. Run again. Okay, so now let's use a for loop to draw all of them. Okay, for I from 0, sorry, this will be I, range 0 dot dot, that's then what? How many here? Is half of the bound height divided by cell side, right? So okay, that's then so half of bounds height divided by cell side. Yeah, something like that. Of course you will complain, right? Because we have to use integer here, so let's just drop the decimal part like that. Then we can cut this and put it here to draw all of half of, yeah, all of them. So where is the I? I will be used here. So I times cell side. I times cell side, right? Run it. No, we need to auto fix. Okay, let's close this one. Okay, auto fix that. Auto fix this. Yeah, CG, we changed the integer, right? So run it again. Cool, right? Now we can start from negative, this guy, copy, and put it here, then negative. Okay, so run it again. Yeah, right, good. Sorry about the noise. Okay, I just closed the door. Now, what about the vertical side? We can use the same idea here. So this time, we'll change this to width, right? Width. Bounce the width. So move to so X will be, yeah, like, let's copy this one here. Of course, this origin X, yeah, same thing here, origin X. Now here will be Y will start from 0 to this guy, right? Bounce dot height. Let's run it. It's like missing. We can add, right? We can add something here, because it doesn't matter if we draw something like add 2 here, for example, and here we can -2, right? Like that. It doesn't matter if we have like some actual lines outside the screen. Run it. So we don't need to care the edge case. Yeah, very good. Okay, the last thing we need is we can draw an arrow here, right? So grid moved. Okay, so we can still use grid. Oh, no, we needed to use, let's use another, yeah, another object of NS Bezier path. So arrows, okay, NS Bezier path, like that. So arrows dot move to, oh yeah, sorry about that. I think we'd better use the existing one here, right? This guy dot move to point. Now let's draw something like from here to here, like that, right? Add line, or line to here and a line to here. So what is that point? Okay, so X will be bounce dot width minus, let's use a constant, this constant. So okay, let's move out this guy to put it here, put it at the top, okay, for now. So we can minus this guy. Cell side Y will be, or Y will be this middle, okay. So origin, let's also move up this one, because we'll use it, we'll reuse it. So put it here. So origin here is origin Y. We can minus a fraction of cell side, like a quarter of that. Okay, now exit dot line 2. right? As point, this is easy. Bounds the width, y is origin y. So we are drawing like from here, right, to here. Then we'll add a line to this endpoint. Okay. So x dot line 2, right? Without moving to another point, we just keep going. So this one will be symmetric, right? Symmetric to here, symmetric to this point, right? So the x will be the same. Copy and paste. Y will be its, we can say conjugate if it's a yeah, conjugate point. Like that. Run it. Cool. And okay, so now we can do the same thing for the y, right? So make a copy of that and put it, well, put it here, right? This is the arrow, so it will be, instead of x, it will be y axis. So here x will be starting from here, so yeah. we'll switch this guy, so copy and paste here, right? Origin x minus that, so here is so y is bounds dot width divided by 2, right? Yeah. Now move to here. Here is yeah, just the origin x. Oh, this one. This is origin x, right? Origin x. Here, the x, y is 0. No, y is bounds dot height. Yeah. Now keep going to the right hand side. So here is conjugate point. So okay, we can just copy the whole thing here and put it here and change a little bit, right? So this will be plus, and that's it. Oh, no, y will be, oh, x that, y will be, oh, here x is this one minus, so move to, so here will be minus cell side, yeah, minus cell side, like that, right? So we draw from here, we move to this point and line to here and a line to here. Let's see, run it. So it's the y is not, oh, okay, here this is bad. Run it again. Nice. Now let's draw this, drag this, right? Yeah, gorgeous. One more thing here, you see we drew, right? We drew the grid line after the we drew the axis, so it means the axis, right? The axes are covered by the grid line. That's we can switch the order. So but let's reorganize this by creating a function draw axis that, we can cut the code. For that, cut the code and put it here. And there might be something. Okay, cell side, yeah, those guys we can move out, put it here, but of course we cannot do calculation like that, so we'll use var and var. Then we can do the calculation here, of course. Oh yeah, now we don't need it, we cannot define again, we just do the calculation like that. So here we can put the whatever we it doesn't matter now. So it's, yeah, because it will be overridden, right? Overridden by this value. Now this is draw axis, and this will be function draw grid, right? Like that. So we can draw a grid first, and draw axis second, like that. Run it. Oh, now we need to set our color for our axis. Yeah, we can do here. Color literal dot set stroke, like that. We'll use the break here. Run it. What? Oh, because this will be shared by both. Let's put it here. Run it. Both axes. Wow, cool, right? Great. That's it for today. See you next time. Thank you for watching.